Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 DUCATI DIAVEL Dark. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 DUCATI DIAVEL Dark with 20,927 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with Rizoma rear sets, a clutch cover, an engine guard, a front sprocket cover, Sato Racing frame sliders, an innovative components fuel cap, an exhaust mount, an SC Project slip-on exhaust, lever guards, a CNC Racing rear brake reservoir cap, a front brake reservoir cap, a clutch reservoir cap, Ducati tank pad, trans-luggage quick shifter, and front axle sliders and a rear fender eliminator kit. Powered by an 1198cc two-cylinder engine, the DIAVEL puts 162 horsepower and 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the DIAVEL has a 110 to 140 mile range. It has a 30.3-inch seat height and a 463-pound wet weight. It should be noted that in New Hampshire, this bike would fail because of its rear turn signals, but in New York, this is not a problem. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the frame slider, a scrape on the rider foot peg, scratches on both mirror housings. This bike has a toolkit, one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.